Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at the Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the sales. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews, deals. Alright, we're looking at the Arctic coal here, or coal. $68. It's I guess it's on sale, clearance or something like that. Yeah, it's very interesting how this thing works. You know, it's a good little invention, especially for out here in the summer. Here in Phoenix, Arizona, it gets real super hot. I gotta wait for see if they have it on sale. Like if they have it not on sale, but you know, cheaper than 68 bucks. It's a nice little toolbox there, Husky, and then you got that Ryobi kit there, the basic kit for 79 bucks. Not a bad deal. Circular drill driver. And you got the set of blades there. I guess a pack of 5. You got some Diablo set of blades. Not a bad deal, especially because it's the bigger ones, the longer 9-inch. 25 feet tape measure. It is the one that is self-stop. So I will demonstrate that right now once I auto lock, self-stop, whatever. So yeah, auto lock, you pull it out, basically stops by itself, it doesn't retract. You put the button and it retracts by itself. So I guess, yeah, most of the tape measures are going this way now. At least a few of them that I've seen so far are going that way, that route. So yeah, we got the Milwaukee Kits right there. $24.99 or $24.95. And we got the black oxide there from DeWalt. I gotta say, I like those clear cases a lot better than looking through all your cases and seeing what's inside. That is a Untitled kit. It's a homeowner's kit, but it's a really basic kit for it that somebody doesn't have any tools. Gotta say, that's a great deal there. For 15 bucks, 13 piece I believe. And here's the combo kits that they have. They got all kinds of brands here. They got Milwaukee M18. They're not fuel, but they're still this is exclusive 4 tool and then 5 tool, 4 tool, 5 tool. So yeah. So I guess you got your choice. The cheaper one is this one. This was the rigid. It is a 4 tool combo kit, so for $249, not bad deal. Yeah, so every time you're shopping around for tools like that, make sure you read the box. It says brushless, or if it doesn't say brushless, then it's probably not brushless. So just to let you know. I got some floodlights there, some angle grinders. This is free battery with the purchase of any tool. So pretty much you can purchase any of these tools and you can get free battery. Even that $229 kit, not a bad deal. You can get a free battery with that. Just a bare tool. Oh, this it had like a little sheet there where you could choose from any of those tools that I guess. Buy one of these. And I was looking for that cheaper toolkit that they have. That's comes with the hard case, the fuel, $349, and then that cheaper kit for $229. Not a bad deal, especially if you're getting that free battery. Definitely worth it. And I was looking at that one. It's probably on the wrong side, on the wrong place. So, but yeah, it's not $149. I think $149 is a flashlight. So flashlight should be there. Then I was looking at the Atomic, the newer drills from DeWalt, 20 volts. And then that is the fuel surge. And I was looking at this kit, $169.99. They are brushless tools, and they're from Rigid. Not a bad if you want to get some brushless tools. And this is a pro appreciation event, so most of these sales are, that's the name of the sales basically. I was looking at this Dremel or scrubber thing. Yeah, it says $49.97 for the kit. Guess the Dremel kit, or the little drill thing, it's on the top of the brushes there. You got some hammers. I like the handle. Feels pretty solid. Nice finish on the hammer itself. And you got some levels there from Empire. You got a 24 and a 48 incher. Some knee pads right there. You guys need some knee pads. And I was looking at this backpack. It seems to be a good quality backpack here for 29 bucks, $29.88. Not a bad backpack. Carry all your tools. It does have like a heavy duty bottom plastic part, so for the for the heavy tools. A lot of little pouches so you can separate your tools there. Looks pretty nice. And that is the bottom piece. It's solid rubber. Heavy duty construction there. They have that kit on sale too, $179.99. There's brushless tool with the 3 power kit. Got a blower there for 89 bucks. Got some Milwaukee Bits there. Shockwave. Not a bad kit. It's a 40 piece. And you got a 10 piece blade there. Gotta say that these blades are pretty decent. You know, me personally, I like Diablo and Linux, but I gotta say Milwaukee's not bad, not a bad choice. Not really like those screwdrivers, not my favorite. I prefer the Stanley ones. Table saw for $3.49. And then 69 bucks for that drill kit, which is a good starter kit for somebody that needs to drill and doesn't want to spend a lot of money. Then you got the battery for 89 bucks, or the tool. You got some more blades by Milwaukee. Got the carbide teeth. You actually get 2 blades with that. That's one of the newer blades that they have. Pretty much you can cut wood, and if you have nails in between, you can cut them too. So it's like a little mix match type of blade. And that is a metal cutting blade. It's designed to cut thicker metal. It's called a torch. $11.97 for a 2-piece, or basically a buy one get one free type of thing. So you get 2 pieces for 11 bucks. And you got that $179 for that kit. I believe it's not a brushless, the $179. The $249, I believe it is. You get a free compact saw there, or hacksaw, whatever you want to call it. And that's the light, flashlight, 325 lumen. It's a nice light. Okay, I guess it is waterproof. It's shockproof. Spot and flood, so I guess you can adjust it. Impact resistant. You buy any of those tools and you get 2 batteries for free. They are 3 amp hour each, so you get 2 3 amp hour batteries with the purchase of any single tool. Got some glue up there. Some markers. $4.97 for a 4-piece. Some more gloves for $9.97. And you basically got the same blades over here. Just have the same kits. Oh, that's that rigid vacuum and blower combo. So 99 bucks. So basically what that is it's a regular vacuum, but you can take out the motor part and put an attachment to it and make it into a blower. And I was looking at this, it doesn't have any prices. I don't know, well, not the ones on the top, but on the bottom it does have prices. I don't know if they were gonna take these sales out, or they were replacing the prices, changing the prices, or whatnot. So, I don't know. Some Diablo Blades, 14 piece for $29.97. Gotta say, these Diablo are my favorite ones. I don't know, it's just me personally, that's what I like. I bought some Craftsman the other day. They're not really good blades. They don't last long. You got that Vanti Pro and the Fat Max for $19.97. It's a 25-foot tape measure. And then you got some DeWalt there. Oh, and that is the clearance section. Not really a lot of good deals here. Pretty expensive stuff, actually. It's more, some of these were actually more expensive than the regular price. So yeah, I just haven't had any luck on this side of town at the clearance sections. So always compare prices. Don't expect it to be lower, or don't think it's going to be lower because it's in the clearance section. It might be higher than a regular sales price. So, like I said, Fat Max, it's $19.97 for a 25-foot there. Then I was looking at that 25-foot for $24.97. Might not be the same model, but then again, it's a tape measure. Probably made in the USA. That's probably why it's a little bit more expensive. $179 for that kit. It does come with the case. So anyways, just thought I'd share this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.